Get some use out of the camera.
You and your creeping camera.
I know.
You open the garbage.
Garbage? Much better. Getting there? Yeah. Taste.
Or something I can keep.
What?
No.
Esther's here?
What?
Esther's here?
Yeah.
Rico. Do it! Make faces, make noises.
It worked out. It started to work. She hasn't yet started.
It's so weird. Look at his big Victor. That's what he looks like. Just in a diaper. Everyone used to make fun of you. You never grow.
And you left. His pants are wet.
Alright.
Did he sit in water or did he pee through his
That was
underwear?
great, guys.
It's all over himself.
Yeah, it was very, very good. Thank you.
Thanks for coming by.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Well, you barbecue.
Can't take that away from him.
He's gonna snap at me.
No, he's not.
What does he have?
Just ate it.
What was it? A whole hot dog?
No, it's a bun.
Yeah, he
Keep
ate
hitting
the
him.
hot dog with the bun.
Oh yeah.
You kidding me?
Oh yeah, I forgot it was you.
So you threw it at me and then, you know.
No, give it to.
Oh, I'm gonna drop you!
Oh my god.
Whoa! No, you really almost hit his head against the banister.
Did I? It's not the right response. Did I? I like to hold you like a baby, you know that?
I want to do his hair.
I used to hold you like this when you were a big baby. Now you're a bigger baby.
He used to play with me, not anymore. Now he's terrified of me.
You like the seat? Everyone's sitting, so are you.
What's your real name?
My real name or my birth given name?
The bird.
Last?